Hey guys, welcome back to JDP Auto Engineering. This is going to be a quick short on how to clean white walls. So you can see over here, got a nice white wall, and then they typically end up brown like this. And this is due to the black in the rubber leaching out and staining the white walls. Quick tip, never use tyre shine on white walls because it will do this to them even worse. So pretty simple process. We got a small container of water, some steel wool. I like using the ones with the soap in it, just from like Coles or Safeway. Then we just got some standard sink bleach and a rag. So all I do, put some of this bleach on the steel wool, grab that, and just start scrubbing at the white wall. You can see almost immediately it's white again. So we'll do that all the way around and then I'll get back to you. So now we're all bleached and steel wooled. Just gonna get some water on this rag, wipe it and dry it off. So and that's how you get your white walls white again. So thanks for tuning in. This has been James from JDP Auto Engineering, and please like, comment, subscribe and watch out for any more content. Cheers.